Hello everyone, it's Louise here from Eleanor Grace, and I just thought I'd show you the results of a little workshop that I did on Saturday, which I hope at some point to be able to bring into my work. This was actually about making botanical ink, so it's not making dye as such, but the principle is fairly similar. So I'm hoping to go on another course later on for botanical dye making as well. This is botanical ink making. So I've got some things here that we've made. So this is made out of dogwood or cornus. It's quite a lovely colour, and these colours do change. We're not using any sort of mordant, so they can change as time goes on. This is avocado, which is lovely soft peachy pink. This is red cabbage, which is surprisingly sort of bluey purple. Not the colour you sort of think you're going to get. This one is blueberry, and this one is elderberry. And I'll show you the others as well. The top ones are all the plain ones. That's this one is a blackthorn. This one is sloe berries. It's beautiful purple, and this lovely blue is blueberries. This sort of teal colour is actually a red rose, which is interesting. And this one is spinach, which is fabulous. It's a lovely green, and it holds its colour very well. This one is turmeric, and this one is walnut. And what we've done in this course is used things to modify them. They're called modifiers, funnily enough. So I don't know if you can see my scribbled notes here. This is where we've scraped lemon juice across, so it gets these beautiful changes in colour. I mean, some of them look more dramatic than others. The rose with the blueberry becomes this bright pink, and the lemon juice with the blueberry becomes a soft peachy pink. Then we've used rust, so you can literally see the speckles in there. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see the speckles in there. And then used soda ash. So this is ash from bonfires in the garden, which the lady mixed with just a little bit of water, and that gives a really amazing colour change on certain ones. On the slowberry, it's gone completely orangey, gingery. On the green of the blackthorn, it's gone sort of mustard yellow. And on the rose, the red rose, it's gone from blue to this amazing sort of off yellow again. But the most dramatic one was the ash on the soda. It's gone crimson, absolutely amazing. As soon as you touched it, it just changed. And the last one in the list that we used was tartar. So cream of tartar. Again, it's only given a very gentle sort of change to the colours in most of these. Not so dramatic as the soda ash, but even 2 days later, these are still drying a little bit. But in some colours, it's given these beautiful shades. So I thought you might just like to see that. It was really fun, and it was by a local artist who works with eco printmaking, dyeing, all sorts of things. So I'm going to be looking out for another one of her courses. It was absolutely fantastic, and Mum and I really enjoyed it. Have a good day. Bye.